Meet Research Rabbit, your new research sidekick. Your professor wants peer-reviewed articles, and you're diving into cephalopods, masters of disguise, behavior, and genetic remixing. They can change color and even write their own RNA. Let's use Research Rabbit to see what scientists are discovering. Start with entering the URL researchrabbit.ai. There's no link through the library resources, so just log in and create an account with your Trinity Gmail. Create a new collection before you search and give it a name. Then click Add Papers to start exploring. We're going to search for cephalopod and RNA editing. And for this activity, I'm choosing the interdisciplinary search, but a thorough researcher might try both options. Research Rabbit won't show you how many results your keywords returned, but it does sort them by relevance. At the start of a project, it's normal to save 3 or 4 times more articles than you'll actually use. Scan the titles first. If one looks relevant, skim the abstract. If it fits your topic, add it to your collection. Returning to the collection panel, you can see that I've found 6 articles I want to explore. But here's how Research Rabbit works. When you use the visualization tools on the right, you can only focus on one article at a time. Let's select one of the papers from our collection. It opens a new panel and becomes the focus paper. This is the paper Research Rabbit uses to generate visual connections. Now we'll click the Similar Works tab. It uses metadata, not just based on citations, but also on shared topics and methods. Let's pick this article. We'll add it to our collection. Now let's make this our new anchor paper. This is a strong paper to add because it broadens our focus from a single experiment to the evolutionary framework behind RNA editing. When we do that, we click on Citations and see the research this study is built on. Last, we'll jump into the Timeline tab to spot some of the newest research related to our topic. If a paper looks relevant or recent, we can add it and keep building. You don't have to read every paper right now. You're just collecting leads. Some might go nowhere, but one of them, that could be the carrot, the gold, the one that pulls everything together.